Good evening, everybody. This will be episode 2 of our drink of the week. And tonight we're going to make a drink I just stumbled on recently in the last couple days. It's called I'm going to call it a coconut daiquiri. So it's basically your regular daiquiri with lime, but with a few additions of some coconut cream, pineapple rum, coconut rum, and pineapple juice. So first off, we got our shaker, and we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of coconut rum. And then we'll go with 1.5 ounces of pineapple rum. I like to use Captain Morgan's rum. This is not a paid advertisement for any of the ingredients I use. These are just the ingredients I like to use. So 1.5 ounces of pineapple rum. One ounce of pineapple juice. I like these little cans. I never use enough to use the big can. The big cans always tend to go bad before you use all the juice. So even though these are a little bit more expensive, they're best for making drinks. And then we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of this real coconut puree. I like to actually use real coconut cream, but this is easier to deal with for your general evening drinks. And the juice of 1 lime. These type of juicers are really useful. It's a lot easier than the little cheap ones that you sometimes get out as freebies in the grocery store. Those really work your forearms. These is pretty quick, 1 squeeze and you're done. And a couple ice cubes to break up that coconut cream. Put the top on your shaker. And shake. So the coconut cream, it doesn't like being cold, so it stays almost in the solid form. So you have to really shake it to break it up, almost emulsify it. Even though it's kind of like shaking oil and water, they just don't mix. But you shake it up enough, it creates like a foam to it. And pour it out. I always end up just dumping my ice in anyway. A couple more ice cubes, top off the glass. And there you have a nice coconut lime daiquiri. So that's it for episode 2. Join us next week. I'm not sure what we'll make this time, but we'll figure something else out. Have a good night.